here in Rapid City, South Dakota with my friends and my husband who is filming. Today we are going to make origami balls. And when we are done, you put them on white Christmas lights and you can use them as a decoration or as a night light. So, we're going to go ahead and get started.
Okay.
Start by taking your paper and you fold it from one corner to the other corner to make a triangle. And what makes origami really good is to have good creases. I'm going to try and get your paper lined up so that the edges are even, the best you can. It's okay if they're not perfect. When you guys are done with that, then you take the paper and you fold it into a triangle the other way to make a perpendicular line to your original fold. So when you look at your paper, you should have an X. And from your X, you're going to fold the paper into a rectangle. And you guys are all doing this right as far as the colored paper being on the outside of your folds. And here is one of the trickier spots, okay? So you're going to take the paper and look at it and see where the fold is, the edge of the horizontal line. You want to hold that line horizontal. And you're going to fold it down to the bottom of your paper in the middle. Flipping that crease that you already folded over. Which one is?
Do you want the color out? Or?
It will end up being out. On the right, huh? You know? Yep.
The other way.
Nope.
No?
Yes, Jen is correct. I'm folding it the wrong way. You want the color on the outside.
Okay.
Okay, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Do I want to go like this?
Yes, Ashley, you do.
Okay, so I'm not creasing it again, correct?
Right.
Okay.
Crease it in the inside.
So if it's about a quarter one.
So it'll end up looking like this. Okay.
This is how it should be.
And then you do it again. Yep. Perfect. And then you do it on the other side as well.
So you're just making a better.
So you're just making a triangle, except for two pieces are in for the inside.
Why do you always have like no crease on that side? That's weird. Maybe this way. That's fine.
There you go.
This
Yep.
way.
Thanks, Jen. Okay. So now from your triangle, you're going to take the bottom edge and you're going to fold it up to the top to make a diamond or a square, depending on what you want to call it. Yep. So you take it up to the top. And you want to do that on all 4 flaps. So you'll have an opening running up and down your diamond in the middle where the ends of the paper are meeting.
Okay. Sorry.
No, don't be sorry.
Am I being
No.
perfectionist? Sorry.
So now what you're going to do is you're going to hold your diamond so that the flaps are at the top. And you're going to take the corner and fold it in to meet the middle where the paper is. The kind of the line you can see in the middle where the paper is, where you're going to fold it into. So it'll look like that. Yep, perfect.
On both sides?
On both sides? Yep. And then on the other side as well, so that all 4 of the corners are folded in.
I have to giggle so hard.
Weird.
Weird.
Weird. Sarah has a giggle.
It's like deprivation.
Me too.
Oh.
This flat doesn't look the same now. Okay.
So make your flaps don't look exactly the same.
Okay.
Sorry.
Once again.
So now you're gonna have 4 open flaps at the top, and we want to get rid of these. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of them and fold it down to meet the top of the corners that we just folded in. So it'll start to look like you're making a pretty shape with triangles coming down that way. And then you fold it over to the outside.
Is this Celine yarn?
Yes. So this piece that we just folded, if you fold it back out of the way, you'll see that the corners actually now have little pockets inside of them from the paper that you have folded. And you can tuck that folded piece away and it'll hide it, get it out of the way. Does that make sense?
Oh,
And you'll do it with the other 4 loose flaps as well.
Did I miss this thing? To fold it in.
Yep.
Just keep folding it all in.
Yep, then you fold it over, so this area right here, and then you fold it over again, so that it'll fit in that flap. Because I found that in order to make it go in that pocket, I have to fold it, and it goes in a lot easier than trying to stick it in and fold it at the same time, which is even more difficult.
So you just fold it and stick it.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Exactly. This is what happens when you get night shift nurses to take a class.
I think I've got all the flaps.
Yeah, me too.
So,
Is this where we blow it up?
this is the most fun. You guys flip it over on the other side. There will be a little hole in the paper. And you go ahead and blow it up.
Yay!
And that is how you make an origami ball.